So what's up, guys? So today for you guys, I have lasagna. So I've never done it before. We have lasagna bolognese. We're gonna do the beef and pork meat sauce. We're gonna do a provolone and mozzarella cheese sauce, a little bit of Parmesan, some fresh herbs. So here we go. All right, so at this point, what you're gonna do is you're gonna salt and pepper the meat to taste. You're gonna sit there and cook this for a little while. You're gonna get a little bit of moisture building up on the side. And what you do is you're gonna cook that down for a little while until it evaporates out of the pot. Once you see a little crust building up on the side and the meat starts to fry a little bit, then we're gonna throw in our diced up vegetables. And then what we're gonna do from there is we're gonna cook the vegetables down for about another 10 minutes. Salt and pepper those again. And then the moisture from the vegetables will deglaze all the crust off the sides. And then we'll add our liquid after that. All right, so right here we're gonna add some herbs in the pot. What we got is some flat leaf parsley and some basil. We're just gonna throw a rough chop on these and throw them in the pot and do a little bit of oregano and some red chili flakes as well. And over the course of the cook, all this is gonna disintegrate in there anyway, so we should be good. All right, so after we take care of all that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw this on a simmer for at least 2 hours. Just make sure you do at least 2 hours. You can go a little bit longer. And then we have our pasta water on the side here. We're gonna do about 3 boxes of lasagna sheets. Parboil those for about, I think it was 8 minutes. And then we're gonna lay them out on sheet pans after they're cooked. And make sure you grease them up with a little bit of olive oil or butter. All right, so this is where we're gonna bring it all together. We're gonna layer it up. Um, this is the first time I actually ever did lasagna, and I did a lot of layers. I'd probably do like 6 or 7 layers, but if I can go back and do it again, I'd probably do like 5 layers just so it's not so much. But it did come out good. But as you can see, I got the pasta sheet sitting on the side right there. We're just gonna layer it up and then bring it all together and then throw it in the oven at 375 for about 40 minutes. All right, so what you see here is the final result. It took about 3 hours total in the cook process. Really didn't know what to expect because this is my first time making lasagna, so I didn't really know. And I watched a million videos on it on YouTube, and I had a basic understanding of what to do. But I thought it came out pretty good. Tasted really good. I thought it was pretty awesome. Yeah, so if you like this video, if you got any value out of it, go ahead and give me a like, throw me a thumbs up, drop some comments, subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thanks a lot.